Hi and welcome back. So in the last video we saw how you can represent a hexadecimal number within your code. So in this video we're going to look at binary numbers and how you can represent a binary number within your code. So if at any point you want to use a binary number, it will start with 0 and B for binary, or 0 and a capital B for binary still. Even here the O is for octal, and here the X is for hexadecimal. If you want to tell the system right away that the number that we are talking about right now, let me remove all of this, remove everything. You want to represent a number as a binary, you want to let the system know that a number is a binary, you'll just do 0, B, and whatever number it is, 1, 0, or maybe 1, 0, then you display that is 10. Then let's say we declare a variable, we call it num is equals to 0b 0b 10 10. Then now we can do different things with the variable. Let's say num times num. What result will it give us? 100. We can even change it to 0000001. Then we display which number this is. You can see we can also display the value of num so that we can know which number we are working with. So if I display, you see this is the number that this is equivalent to. In binary numbers, you know, it only has 0 and 1. So at any point within this, if I have something like 2, we know this is going to give us an error. It's going to be an error because 2 is not part. Because we know that 2 is not part of the possible numbers in a binary number. So if I display this, you see it gives us all these errors. If you want the system to know that the number you're using is a binary number, it will start with 0 and a small b or a capital B, and the numbers within it must be 0 or 1. So I hope by now you understand the different kind of integer literals that you can use. You can use a number as a decimal, you can use as an octal, you can use as a hexadecimal, you can use as a binary, and you know how you can represent a number as an octal, that is using 0 and O or 0 and capital O, and as a hexadecimal by using 0 and a X or 0 and capital X, and as a binary by using 0 and small b or 0 and capital B. And as I said, in most cases you're only going to find yourself using decimal numbers, and with decimal numbers they're very easy to write. If you want to write 24, no, nothing in front of it. You want to write 30, just that simple. You want to write 20, 30, you don't have to use anything before it or after it. As long as it's a number that contains 0 to 9 with nothing in front of it, it will definitely automatically be interpreted as a decimal number. So that's it for this section on integer literals, and I will see you in the next section. If you have any questions, feel very free to let me know. So I'll see you in the next section.